Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text bigger on Windows 11. By default, Windows 11 computer display 100% of the text size based on the display resolution. Some low vision people would like to increase the text size for better view experience. So, how they can increase the text size on their Windows 11 computer? Let's learn. When you are Windows computer, you have to click on the start button. Here you have to search the settings. In the settings window, you have to go to accessibility. In the accessibility page, you have to click on the text size. You can check it out, the text percentage as 100%. If you would like to increase the text size, you can drag it. This will be moved up to 225%, but this will be very larger size, so you have to make up to 125%. This will be increase the proper size. Then you have to click on the apply button. This will be increase the text size the entire computer. If you are using high resolution, you can also increase this size. In this way, you can make the text bigger size on Windows 11 computer. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.